How to log into AOL Mail. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in AOL Mail login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, AOL.com, open it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. So go ahead and type in your mobile number, username, or the email address. Then click on next. In the case you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option to recover it. If you want to stay signed in, you can check in for the option. After you click on next, now you will be receiving verification code in the email address that you have just entered. So you can go ahead and check your mail. You will be receiving mail from AOL. You have to open that mail and then type in the verification code over here. After you type in the code, click on next. And just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into AOLmail.com. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.